So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 22nd till the 28th of June 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Queen of Swords. Okay, this is somebody who feels like there is a cold and off and detached kind of vibe going on in the situation right now. This is somebody who's angry or pissed off. There is something about the situation that's making this person a little mad on you or on the situation. What's happening? Let's clarify the Queen of Swords as their feelings for you, Libra. We have the Six of Pentacles and Six of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So, okay, I'm sorry. The cards were a little puzzled. Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. There is some kind of on and off, in and out, imbalanced kind of energy between you and this particular person. You guys have a soul connection. You guys have a deep rooted soul connection. And this person is feeling like keeping it together. At the same time, they're pissed off. Okay, they are just temporarily angry on you, angry uh, on this. Not it's like they still feel the connection, they still feel the bond, but the situation is so imbalanced, so on and off, in and out, that they are getting pissed off, they're getting angry, like why the hell things are not moving forward, why the situation is not balanced. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Empress. From your side, you feel like having growth and expansion and a lot of happiness. Maybe you are dealing with another energy here, although I don't see a strict third party energy here, but I feel like you might be dealing with some other energy here, and you are feeling like that other person, that other energy, maybe your focus is on your money, job, career, finances right now, your overall growth in your life, and or there is another energy that you might be very much interested in, and you're feeling a lot of connection with them, or simply you feel like right now you should be in this loving, nurturing, and caring kind of energy. Take it how it resonates with you, Libra, but there is something in your energies that is making you feel like there should be growth and expansion and happiness in a particular situation. Let's clarify the Empress as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Two of Wands in reverse, the Eight of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. You guys are not able to wait any longer for a situation to improve. That's what's happening here. You guys are feeling like there's a situation that's not working out, even if you are trying your best, even if you are giving your best. So you feel like detaching yourself from the situation slowly but surely, and getting out of this stressful energies, anxious energy that you that keeps on surrounding this situation all the time. Okay, so you feel like you cannot wait any longer for one situation to not end, like you just can't wait any longer for a situation to improve, so you are choosing to walk away. And even if this walking away is not an easy task for you, it's not like, oh my god, I'm just going to wake up tomorrow and walk away from the situation and never look back. It is very stressful, but you are feeling like, okay, your growth and expansion and your happiness and your peace is more important than this situation now. Again, you might be having something or someone that you might be relying on, because you are leaving something, someone behind, maybe for not someone or something in general, like in particular, but you have a vision to where you are going to go from this point onwards, when you're going to leave one situation behind. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Four of Pentacles. They want to hold on to this situation. They are pissed off, they are angry, but they don't want to let go of this situation, this connection, this bond out of their life. I don't know why. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as their intentions. Before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 10 days Osho Meditation Festival that's happening from 5th till the 14th of July 2026 online, 4:30 till 5:30 in the evening. And I cannot provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. There are going to be lots of Osho meditations. Every day we are going to do one new Osho meditation. Then I'm going to teach you five Vigyan Bhairava Tantra meditation techniques that you can use in your day-to-day life for self-realization and peace. And I'll teach you a few breathwork techniques also that you can do in your day-to-day life for emotional regulation and mental regulation. And this is going to be a power packed 10 days of healing your inner child, and a lot of trauma and pain is going to come out inside of you. After this 10 days of workshop, you're going to feel much more clearer, brighter and happier in your life. If you want to start or restart your healing journey or spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a fantastic opportunity to do that. Don't wait for the last moment to book for the spot. You can book it right now. Even if one or two people are going to show up, I'm going to do this for the rest of my life. This is my mission now. And the fees is 5100 for 10 days workshop. It's quite affordable. And for others, it's 300 USD. It's going to be in English and Hindi both, the instructions. And I'm going to keep it very simple, very precise, very genuine and authentic. So if you like my honest energies, my authenticity, you are more than welcome to enter in my space, enter into my world. You guys can start your spiritual journey with me, and we can take it forward like for a very long period of time. Okay, so who knows where we are going to land. So the link is in the description box for the same. Don't forget to read all the instructions and everything before applying, because the fees is non-refundable. I will not be able to refund you once you are going to book the slot. Okay, so let's see. Let's clarify Four of Pentacles. And for any queries or confusion, you can mail us on the modern sannyasini at the gmail.com for the same. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as their intentions for the situation. Yeah. We have the World card in reverse, the Justice, and the Moon card. This person doesn't want to end this connection or end this bond between you and them, but they definitely want to bring the balance, bring the justice back in the situation. Oh my god. They definitely want to bring the balance, bring the justice back in the situation. There is something in the situation that is not going well, and they're not liking that. Okay, so instead of can you hear that? Instead of ending the chapter between you and them, ending the story between you and them, they want to end the reason that is making you guys fall apart again and again and again. Okay, so yep, they don't want to end this chapter with you. They want to hold on to this connection, but they want clarity, they want answers, they want justice, they want balance. Everything should be crystal clear, no more secrets, no more lies. Nothing should be hidden, nothing should be secretive. I love this voice. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? We have the Knight of Swords. You just want to, you have this cutthroat energy of charging on this person and letting things come out, letting all things come out. You have some kind of restlessness in your energies, and you want to clear the air with this person regarding something. A little bit of let's fight. You want to fight? Let's fight kind of energy. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords as your intentions for this particular person or situation, honey. We have the Chariot in reverse, the Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Wands, King of Wands, sorry. What is wrong with this deck today? Okay, honey. Okay, let's do it. See, you are not able to move on. It's not like you hate this person and you never want to talk to them again. It's not like that. You want to move on in your life, but this situation is not allowing you to move on, and you want peace at any cost. You just want peace in your life at any cost. Whatever it takes from your side, you are ready to do that. But at the same time, you don't want to get carried away You don't want to give your blood and your veins and your everything to this situation. It's simple, like you have your own life and you want to live your own life too. You want to participate in the situation. You want to give your best from your side in order to maintain this situation in a proper way. But at the same time, you just don't want to get so carried away by by this whole situation that you don't have anything left for yourself. That is the thing, and this is what you want to convey to the other person here. See, I am here for you, I am in this connection, but I don't want to get carried away so badly in the situation that I am not left with anything but you, right? So this message is loud and clear from your side, but they are not taking it in a positive way. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Libra, till the 28th of June. We have the Six of Wands. It's like no matter what's happening behind the scenes, you are going to make it a point to look after yourself, to make yourself the center of attention of your own world. There is a goal of yours. There's something that you guys are working on: money, job, career, finances, success, victory, business, or something related to your looks or personality. There is something in you that is telling you that you should shift all of your focus on the goal that you have from a very long time in your life. Okay, and now you guys are more than ready to take whatever, like do whatever it takes to achieve that goal of yours. I think right now you're not that much focused on a particular relationship. You are focused on your overall happiness. Let's clarify the Six of Wands as the potential outcome for you guys here. We have the Five of Cups, the Nine of Wands, and the Six of Wands in reverse. What is happening? So, honey, I do see you very disappointed. I do see you keeping your guards up because a situation, a connection, a bond is not allowing you to move forward, is not allowing you to be at peace. And then this goal of yours or this dream of yours to come back to yourself and start working on yourself and do everything possible from your side in order to achieve this happiness that you want is not happening because of the shit that you are in right now. You are in a deep rabbit hole, and the more you're trying to dig it to come out, the more you're going down. That's what's happening. That's why I keep on saying it's better to be single and alone than to be in a wrong relationship, right? The relationship might itself is not wrong, but the situation in this connection right now is very, very difficult to deal with. One of you is making this situation very difficult to deal with, very pissed off, very angry, very manipulative, and one of you is just trying to focus on themselves. And the one person who is trying to focus on themselves, the other person is not letting them do that. And that's why it's a rabbit hole, and that's why it's a very difficult, complicated kind of a situation, honey. I can't save you. You have to save yourself. I can just read the cards here sitting on my ass. Yeah. Okay. Let me see the guidance for you guys. We have the Queen of Cups and the Death in reverse and the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. I am tired of these reverse cards today. I don't know how they're coming in reverse. I don't like reverse cards much. You know, what you can do from your side, you can put the situation on hold, your goal, your aim, whatever it is, on hold for the time being, and shift all of your focus on yourself, your self love, self care, self healing, and your own well being, emotional, mental, spiritual, physical, everything. Okay, because this situation is not ending anytime soon. This situation is not coming to any kind of conclusion anytime soon. So all you can do from your side is to take care of yourself and give your best from your side to yourself, and for the time being let things be. Okay, cool. This too shall pass, Libra, but it is going to take time. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, okay? And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Hmm. So the answer to your question is let go. Let go of not the connection itself, maybe, but the attachment to the outcome that you want to have in the situation. Yes. Instead, it suggests that you let go of your attachment to the subject of your question and cease clinging, striving, and grasping. This card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. If it is making any sense, this is your answer. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.